losing my breath, running around my head. Been playing it cool, but I've been pulling the thread. Maybe I'm too hard on myself, and maybe it ain't good for my...
I figure we'll get the base jump out of the way before the winds pick up, and then we can like cliff jump and hang out.
All I want is, all I want, to feel your love. That's all I want.
Well, so this one, it goes, it's like pretty tall, but it gets a little positive at the bottom. So I think I like the other one. It's lower, but it's more sheer. Okay. We're gonna do some wild things today. Welcome to today's video. We got Kaylin, Jordan, Casey back there with the boat. Thanks for taking us out. And Eric. We're gonna start the day off with a nice big base jump, 300 feet or so, 270. And then we're gonna do some cliff jumping.
Hell yeah, we are.
Somehow we gotta get up there. All right, made it to the top. Wasn't so bad. Took me about 20 minutes, but I have this beautiful exit, and I had to move a few of these guys around because I don't want to get hung up on the spikes. But I think I'm just gonna do a single gainer to play it safe. Rather safe than sorry. So here we go, look at this. Beautiful, very beautiful. So yeah, I just gotta gear up and I'm gonna cool off because I think it's about 100 degrees today, which made that hike terrible. Let's get it. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
That's all I want.
It was windy as hell.
Hell yeah, it was.
I was like, if I don't go now, the winds are just gonna get worse.
That was so
Thank you.
awesome.
It was a fun one.
Oh wow. Holy shit, that was so cool. Right on.
I could have totally doubled that, but dude, in those winds, I almost went flat and stable because I was just gonna like sink it in as far as I could.
My heart just dropped.
With those winds, I was playing it safe, but now it's time to do some cliff jumping. I'm warmed up.
That was an experience of a lifetime, bro.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Yes. Sick, dude.
Yeah.
We found another cliff. That felt good. That felt really good. All right, we're gonna head over to this guy. It's about 75, maybe 80 feet from the top. End the day on a big old backflip. You gonna go?
I think I'm gonna stay on the boat.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah!
Woo! I got a wedgie on that one. That was awesome. That felt amazing. Yeah, that had to be a solid 80.
So long.
Yeah, it felt big. Now we chill and relax.
Hell yeah.
All right, well that wraps up the day. Glad to end it on that 80 footer. Felt super good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out all of the merch. We got some drawstring bags, we got shirts, we got hats. Links down there below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.